Welcome again guys to the channel Old Time Cooking TV. Today we are going to prepare some stew peas. Okay, and to do that we have our good old pig tail, chicken foot and stew beef. This is beef bone basically, and or the same beef they use for stew beef, not the boneless one. It has some bones in it. So we have some chicken foot, pig's tail, stew beef. All right, for those who do not eat pork, you can remove the pig's tail. It's all optional. Any one of these can be removed if you don't eat it. All right, so you know stew peas, you have to have your red peas. We have red peas soaked already. Here we have real coconut juice. We try not to use the powder because it's old time cooking we're dealing with, so we're gonna go with the real coconut juice, blended and juiced already. We have the seasons here, pepper, thyme, scallion and onion. All right, over this side now we have the vegetables. So I'm gonna prepare some vegetables, and you know that I love my plantain, so that will be here for the sides. So stick and stay for the preparation. Welcome to my returning viewers, and if this is your first time here, I ask that you subscribe to the channel, and most of all, kindly share this video with your family and friends overseas. So stay tuned for the preparation. So to start us off, we're gonna add the red peas to the pot. Okay, all right, this is washed already, soaked, and then now we're going to add the beef. Okay, so you know that the beef takes longer to cook than the pig's tail and the chicken foot, so we're gonna add all the beef along with the red peas. Okay, we're just gonna add some water to that. All right, not a lot, because remember we have the coconut juice to be added. All right, so to go with this now, we're gonna add the garlic, and that's 4 cloves of garlic, or 4 pegs of garlic. We're also gonna add the pimento seeds. Okay, so those are gonna put on to cook by itself for a while, and then afterwards we're gonna add the chicken foot and the pig's tail. But bear in mind, I'm going to scald the pig's tail in a different pot just to get out the excess salt that is in it. So in the meantime you'll see that process as well. So I'm gonna scald the pig's tail by itself to get out the excess salt out of it while that is being pressured, and then when I open back the pressure cooker, I'm gonna add these two to that. So stay tuned for that process as well. Okay guys, welcome again. So here we have this little pot right here. We have the pig's tail. So we have the pig's tail. We're scalding it as we would normally say in Jamaica to get out the excess salt from the pig's tail. Okay, and over here, as you can see, pressure cooker having the peas and the beef. Okay, so we're gonna give that about 25 minutes, and then we add the scalded pig's tail and the chicken foot to the pressure cooker. Give it another 20 minutes and we are good to go from there. So stay tuned, press like as you go along, share this video with family and friends here in Jamaica and in the diaspora, just to give those overseas a reminder of what is happening, and they also can try this in their space. Thank you so much. Stick and stay for the remainder of the video. Here we go again. Welcome back, welcome back. All right, so we have the beef and the peas. We had that in the pressure cooker for about 25 minutes. So now here's a pig's tail, scalded off already, rinse off again with fresh water. So we're gonna put that to the main pot. All right, here we have the chicken foot, gonna put that to the main pot as well. And here is the key ingredient, coconut milk. Okay, this is key. You want to make sure that your stew peas having that real coconut milk, not the powder. Even though the powder can use for those who have to, you know, work and can't bother to go through the process of gratering or blending. Then we're gonna close this now and allow this to boil for about 25 minutes, and that's when we'll be ready to season him up. Okay, so stay tuned again for that process. Here we are again, guys. So finishing product. All right, so we're touching down now. So if you notice, we have the flour. This is flour and salt. We just need it behind camera. So you're gonna just break some small pieces like these. Okay, and this is what they call spinners. So we're gonna make some spinners and put in the stew peas. Then we're gonna season them up. Okay, season the pot, the final seasoning. Okay, and then now alright, so you do like this. There you go. Some small nice spinners in the stew peas. Alright. Yeah, real Jamaican style. Okay, can't see, you can't make spinners. See that? Simple. Okay, all the young ladies out there, young men, here you go. Alright, so old time cooking TV. Alright, Jamaican style stew peas. Jamaican style. If you notice over there, we have the plantains. Alright, I told you that I don't like to cook and don't have a little plantain to the side. Sometimes you have this, you can just make a little small dumpling, rest it in there, you know, that tastes nice. You have him on the side, small little dumpling, drop him on the top. Okay, the rice here looking lovely with a little piece of thyme just to give it some flavor. Have the planting over that side. So just give this a little stir just to get those dumplings under the liquid so it can cook. All right, the spinners, that is. All right, very good. So now we're gonna add our seasoning. So right here we have a little all-purpose black pepper and chicken seasoning. So it's up to you the amount that you want to put. Your season to taste. Okay, if you notice, I did not put any salt in it because I believe the salt from the pig's tail, even though it's called it before, will take care of the salt content. But as you go along, you taste, okay, and add accordingly. So here we have the thyme, we have some chopped scallion, okay. All right, here we have a pepper, a whole pepper, and one chopped onion. So we're gonna mix that in and allow it to, you know, just touch down, you know. So if you notice, we have changed the pot from the pressure pot, and now we have here a little Dutchie, what we call Dutchie in Jamaica, Dutch pot. Okay, so stew peas is touching down. All right, rice is touching down. So we're gonna cover this and allow it to simmer, you know, so that the gravy can thicken. Okay, smells great already. I can just imagine what this is gonna taste like. All right, so see you when we're sharing it out. Stick and stay. All right, so here we go, here we go. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Yeah, so you want it to simmer down. Okay, if you want it to get redder than that, you have to use more peas. I just use a small amount of peas because I'm just cooking for maybe 3 persons thereabout, you know. Somebody, if we have a visitor, then you know that they can also partake. Look at the rice, white and shelly. Once you're cooking stew peas, your rice must be shelly, must not be soft. All right, those beautiful plantains over there. So we're gonna share it out now, and then you'll see what it looks like. But I can tell you, so it's gonna be nice, it's gonna be luscious, it's gonna be so tasty. Okay, so the entire process takes about 45 minutes to 1 hour because we want to make sure that it, you know, it is well done, well prepared, and well tasty. So see you when we share it out. All right, I have prepared some freshly cut vegetables. You're gonna see that as well. That was done behind camera. So stick and stay. Press like on the video, share it with someone, share it with families and friends here in Jamaica, overseas in the diaspora. Thank you for your support. Stick and stay. Here we go, guys. This is the finished dish. Stew peas and white rice. Wow. Look at that chicken foot, stew beef, pig steal, red peas, stew peas, looking so beautiful. Give this a like, give this video a thumbs up. Look how that looks beautiful. Beautiful fried plantains with freshly cut vegetables. All right, so colorful, so tasty, and I can tell you this is lovely. I'm gonna show you another plate, another setting, okay, so you can see what we are doing here. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. At this different setting, different plate. Okay, this is a round base plate. Okay, I want you to tell me which of the presentation looks better. So type in the comment section the number 1 for presentation 1 or number 2 for presentation 2. Okay, which would you rather? Which would you prefer to get your share in? Look at that. Beautiful. 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 Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend, with loved one here and overseas. Thank you so much for your support. Stew peas at its best. Old Time Cooking TV. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next video. Remember to type which of the presentation you prefer, if it is presentation 1 or presentation 2. Type it in the comment section. Please participate. Thank you.